So the VCR this is out of is dead. I took the power supply apart to see that. It's like, cool, easy fix. Then I see this. Ooh. So, I want to fix it. I'm like, what is this tar substance? And I flip it around. If you watch any 12-volt viz videos, you know what you're looking at. It's a fucking disaster. Traces are being eaten. Look at that. Wait, where's the one that I was scraping at it? Like, what the hell is this crap? And then, come on, focus. There's a trace that lifted right there. Look at that. Is this even worth trying to fix? I'm sure one capacitor bulged and leaked out the top, but they all leaked out the other end. I'm gonna start counting the money I waste this year. This was 25 bucks. I only brought 30 and I got 5 in my pocket. This all offset it by selling these. I should really test them. He was gonna test them, but I've been busy and he couldn't come by because I was busy. I said I'd just leave them on the porch and he'd leave the money in the mailbox. His idea. I've done that before though. People, they're trustworthy. Just like the 25-inch Sin, you know, that guy who does arcade stuff, he wanted it for the tube, but he didn't even ask what tube it had. It had a Zenith tube. So that tells me any 25-inch tube is compatible and whatever arcade chassis that needs it. I don't know. He said he had plenty of 27s, so he didn't want the Phillips tubes that I had. Probably has my childhood TV. I don't even think he saw my ad because he saw the ad for the Phillips tube when he got home with GE that I paid too much for. Yeah, look at this. It's like green with corrosion. This is trash. 470 at 16. 470 microfarad at 16 volts. Apparently these go through a certain amount of heating and cooling cycles and it starts to break that seal or something and then starts pissing out the bottom or something. It's sticky. This is garbage. Okay, if this doesn't fix it, which I know sure as hell no it won't, I'm just gonna give up and throw this stupid thing away. This happens to Sony stuff. This can happen to anything.